what?
I'm gonna fall down.
Are you going to fall down where?
In the water?
No.
They're from Ohio.
Oh, really?
We just got here about a couple weeks ago. Where are you staying? Where are you taking Coral?
Woo, woo, woo. You like that, Code Man? What do you think about that? What do you think, Code Man? Woo, big old bathtub, huh?
I'm gonna fall down.
No, you're not going to fall down. What makes you think you're going to fall down? Oh, you're not going to fall down?
I cannot believe this.
What?
He is loving it.
And you didn't think he wouldn't?
No, I mean, like, this is what I was worried about, him getting right out to it.
Well, he's not going too far. Woo! There's a big old crane.
Cody's seen it. He is not scared one single bit. No! That's enough!
Ethan thinks he's going to fall off if he comes out here.
Yeah. Are you okay, Mama?
I'm okay, Ethan. Stop. Oh. Woohoo! Cody's being a trooper. There he goes.